Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Kitty Clarkson, the mechatronics engineer here at MCP. Today we're going to be discussing our range of HMIs and integrated PLCs with our partner Kinco. If you want to learn more about our partnership, click the pop-up now. Our range of HMIs are designed for a wide array of industrial applications, including assembly lines, dispensing and distribution machines, furnaces and welding machines, and cutting and labelling machines. First, we're going to be talking about the Future Series, the next generation of high-performance human-machine interfaces built to meet the demands of modern industrial environments. Available in screen sizes ranging from 7-inch to 15.6-inch, these HMIs feature 1.8 GHz quad-core processors, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of flash storage, ensuring fast, responsive operation. Designed with advanced connectivity in mind, they include dual Ethernet and serial ports, as well as support for USB-based RFID readers for secure user authentication. The range also boasts full viewing angle HD displays, with the 15.6-inch model offering capacitive touchscreen, 2K resolution, and vibrant 16 million true colours. Built for durability, the Future Series includes power isolation, 3-proof PCB protection against moisture, dust, and corrosion, and supports external webcams such as IP cameras. Seamlessly integrated with Kinco's D-Tools Pro configuration software and compliant with UL, CE and RoHS standards, the Future Series sets a new benchmark in reliable, intelligent HMI technology. Need IoT? The Green Series HMIs can offer built-in Wi-Fi or 4G, cloud-ready connectivity and high-resolution displays, perfect for remote operations and machine monitoring in real time. This series is robust and cost-effective with built-in ARM Cortex A7 processors with easy remote access, high data safety and full cloud diagnostics. It's ideal for smart manufacturing. The G2 series features a 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU with up to 512 MB of RAM and 4 GB of storage. It also has a full HD display with 16 million colours. This HMI delivers smooth operation, fast PLC communication and advanced connectivity options including Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 4G, USB and multi-PLC support, all configurable through D-Tools Pro software. The GL series is equipped with a dual-core 1 GHz CPU and 256 MB of RAM paired with 4 GB of storage. This HMI ensures stable, efficient performance for standard industrial application. It features a high-definition LCD for vibrant, detailed visuals and offers a versatile connectivity, including a single network port, 3 serial ports, and dual USB interfaces with hub expansion support. Looking for an affordable, reliable interface, the Mass Series HMIs offer vibrant visuals and a solid performance for standard industrial needs. Powered by a 1 GHz dual-core CPU, supported by 128 MB of RAM and 256 MB of internal storage, these HMIs provide smooth operation and sufficient capacity for data logging and basic control tasks. The high-definition display, with full viewing angles and support for 16 million colours, ensures crisp visuals and vibrant screen output, even in challenging environments. A highly sensitive touchscreen enhances the user experience, closely mimicking the capacitive touch interactions. Available in 3 screen sizes, 4.3-inch, 7-inch and 10.1-inch, the Mass Series enables flexible deployment across different machine types using a unified project configuration. This significantly reduces setup time and simplifies system development. Custom HMIs are available too. These can be designed for extreme temperatures, shock, and vibration with aluminium or stainless steel frames, resistive touch, and military-grade switches. For all-in-one control, the MK series integrates HMI, PLC, and M-IoT with remote access, real-time diagnostics, and 700 MHz industrial CPUs. It's built for performance and flexibility. All systems are configured using D-Tools Pro, our powerful free HMI software with multi-station support, wireless debugging, real-time cloud views, and mobile interoperability. Your interface is as advanced as your machines. We'll be posting a video on this soon, so keep your eyes peeled. From components to complete systems, Motion Control Products delivers full-scale automation configured, supported and integrated by one expert partner. One partner, total responsibility. Discover your complete PLC and HMI solution with Motion Control Products and Kinco. If you are interested in these products, make sure to contact us with the information on screen or in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with all of our videos.